Hello and welcome back to Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog. Today's video is the first part of the 3 parts video series on how to install Kali Linux to Windows 11. The reason for dividing this process into 3 parts because each part is crucial and should be done properly, otherwise you might end up with a lot of installation errors. So let's quickly check the 3 stages of Kali Linux installation. First, we need to install the WSL, which we will see in this video. Next part will be installing Kali kernel to Windows 11. And in the last one, we will be adding the WinKEX to enable the GUI interface for Kali. To begin the installation of WSL, we need to open the PowerShell in administrator mode. Let's search for PowerShell, then right-click on it and click Run as Administrator. In PowerShell terminal, we need to type 2 commands that I have here in my notepad. The command is pretty simple. You just need to type WSL --install. I will just copy and paste this command from Notepad to the PowerShell to avoid any error. Next, you just need to hit enter to begin the installation. It will first download the WSL package, which will take some time to complete. I will just fast forward the video to save time. While downloading, let's understand some of the major benefits of having WSL in Windows. The first benefit of WSL is that it gives you access to the Linux environment and its tools within Windows. Next, it provides you with multi-OS support for some of the major Linux distributions like Kali, Ubuntu, Debian, etc. Along with that, it allows you to work cross-panel among Linux distro as well as between Windows, and the other benefit is it's lightweight and non-vulnerable to your physical system as it runs on Hyper-V virtual machine. Now let's go back to the installation and wait for it to complete. You can also install WSL from the Microsoft Store if it shows when you search for WSL. If it's not, then you need to choose this command line method to install it. Once the installation is complete, we can access WSL through the command line. Go to Start, search for WSL and open it. It will open the Linux distro terminal for you. Currently, I have Ubuntu already installed on my PC, so I can run Linux commands on it via this terminal. You can also adjust some of the WSL settings. Search for WSL settings and it will give you a bunch of adjustments for memory and processors, network access, GPU acceleration and developer mode. You can also launch WSL from here or check more about it in WSL welcome screen right here. I will end the first part of this video series here and will surely meet you in the next one. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog. Thanks for watching.